Hi, do you have digestive discomfort every time you eat out at a restaurant? Then here are two reasons why. See, one obvious reason is that the quality of the food in the restaurant may not be so great. But here's an unobvious reason. If you're constantly feeling irritated every time you eat out, it could be a deep-seated gut issue that you've been ignoring. People who have leaky gut dysbiosis, low digestive enzymes typically end up with headaches, feeling groggy, feeling nauseous, or like tightness in their stomach, or they may burp a lot every time they eat outside. If this is you, then know that it's time to pay attention to your gut. If you don't know where to start, comment gut reset and I'll help you out.